So today we are going to install these Skyjacker brake lines on the front of this 2006 Jeep LJ. These are for a certain amount of lift for these Jeeps. And the cool thing about Skyjacker brake lines is that they are DOT certified. A lot of these companies just throw them together and they're not quite DOT. They also come with new brackets and to kind of lower them or mount them nicely up on the frame so that they're out of the way. So we're going to put these suckers on and we'll show you guys the process. Skyjacker includes 4 copper washers. Whenever you pull a brake line off, you need to make sure you put new copper washers on this nut, on this bolt, because this bolt has a hole in it and a hole in it, and the fluid actually passes through it. So every time, these are one-time crush washers, and so every time you pull it off, you need to put new ones on. So good thing Skyjacker included them, so we don't need to go find them. So on the bottom of these, they've got this fitting that is pretty sweet and movable. You can tighten it down once you get it in this position that you like, or you can remove the head, but you gotta make sure that you tighten this thing down once you get it turned the way you want, because it'll leak if you don't tighten it. Alrighty, and just like that, that is how you put these Skyjacker brake lines on your 2006 LJ. The flexibility of these things is awesome. I really like that head, and I really like, they give you the bracket, they give you the clip, they give you all the new copper washers and all that stuff. So awesome product, Skyjacker. If you want that, there's gonna be a link down in the description for those brake lines.